Welcome back to DBL. When it comes to plastic surgeons, did you know only a small percentage are women? Dr. Kat from E's Dr. 90210 is spilling all the secrets about what it's like working as one of the top surgeons in Hollywood. Lindsay caught up with her earlier in today's DBL Spotlight.
Beverly Hills is the mecca of plastic surgery, but only 15% of plastic surgeons are women. That makes us a cut above the rest.
Dr. Kat Begovic, thank you so much for joining DBL. So we are so excited about Dr. 90210, which follows the life of yourself and 4 female surgeons in Beverly Hills. We usually see men as plastic surgeons, so why do you think it's so important that we see females during this series?
You know, I don't know if you know this, but less than 15% of board certified plastic surgeons are women. And, you know, as a mom, and also just from, you know, knowing my experiences growing up and never seeing women, you know, as a surgeon or as a plastic surgeon, I think that this is just an amazing opportunity for young girls and women out there to know that, hey, you know, we can be doctors too, or we can be plastic surgeons too.
Who knows better than a woman what a woman wants to feel like?
Absolutely.
So as a female surgeon, are there things you do differently than male surgeons would? And also, how do you put your patients at ease?
Well, I think that being a woman, and for myself also being a plastic surgery patient, I think that that does help patients feel more comfortable, especially the female patients, in terms of opening up.
Now on the show, you deal with all different types of surgeries. So I have to ask you, what's the craziest request you've ever fulfilled?
Well, 2 things. One, I have had patients show me this just extreme photoshopped, you know, BBL, which is Brazilian butt lift result, where, you know, the waist was just, you know, super tiny, the butt was super giant, and it was really obvious that the picture had been photoshopped. And, you know, it's my responsibility as a doctor to say, you know what, this is not realistic. And also it's just not safe to do that.
Now, people might not know this, but you're actually known as the pioneer of vaginal cosmetic surgery. And you've had celebrities like Jessie Peralta from Pussycat Dolls come to you for this. How did that come about?
You know, this surgery is actually much more common than people think. I know that being a woman, I've always been really passionate about surgeries that were very female-centric and very female-empowering, because I know that when I first discovered this surgery, you know, way back in my residency, it was something that no one talked about. I think that in the age now where we're all wearing kind of tighter clothing, like, you know, we wear leggings as everyday wear, you know, women are really seeking for a solution to feel more comfortable. And the vagina is just another body part like anything else. You know, I want to break this whole taboo where, you know, women feel like they can't talk about something that's important to them.
Now, you've also created your own science-backed skincare line. So I have to ask you, because you have beautiful skin, what's your #1 skincare tip?
Having a daily skincare routine is so important, but also a daily sunscreen. And that was like one of my favorite products that took forever for me to formulate. Every day we're constantly exposed to harmful UV rays from the environment that are basically gonna, you know, break down collagen and give us wrinkles. So daily maintenance and prevention is the key to great skincare.
Dr. Kat, thank you so much for coming on DBL.
Thank
you can catch
you.
Dr. 90210 Mondays on E. We'll be right back.